Right. To insert a slideshow view, click Insert tab here, then scroll down. In this option, there is an option called Image Cursor. This one, Image Cursor. Click on the Image Cursor here. Once you click there, then it will appear a separate box called Insert Images. Here, the place where you are going to add all the pictures which you want to show in a slideshow. Right. To insert the pictures, click on the plus button here. Then they will show two options: upload and select image. Select here, click on the upload image. And once you click upload image, then it will give a box to select the particular pictures. Then you want to go to the folder where your pictures available. And then I am going to select one of my folder that pictures available. Right. Then I suppose I want to insert this picture for the first slide. Then click on here and open. Then similarly, you can add the second picture. Suppose this one, open. Like that, you can add any number of pictures for your slideshow, but at least you need 2 pictures to work the slideshow view. But here I am adding 3 pictures. Once you complete adding the pictures, then click Insert button here. Right. Once you click Insert, now the slideshow start here. Right. The slideshow you can view in the preview of this page. Right. Is it okay? Can you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes,
Right. Okay. Yeah. One student asked how to publish. Yeah, I am explained that one also. Before that, is it clear that how to insert in this slideshow?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Then we'll see how to publish. Once you complete the e-portfolio, that final step is the publishing. Right. Then finally you must publish it. Then only your e-portfolio can watch others. Right. That otherwise others will not be able to see your e-portfolio. Therefore, remember, once you complete the e-portfolio, then you want to publish it. Then once you publish, then it will it will automatically generate a link. That's the link you want to share. Right. Once you complete your e-portfolio, then the right top corner you can see a button called Publish. Button called Publish. Click on here. Once you click this Publish button, then it will give a separate box called Publish to the web. Here they are asking web address. Then you can give a name for your e-portfolio. You can give any name here, but if you are creating something about to display yourself, then better to give your name. And then I am using, for example, name here. Suppose Anura. Anura is the name. Example. See the message here. That is great address, but it already taken. That means the name is already taken. Therefore, you have to change it. Suppose Anura. Then you can use your surname also. Anura Pereira. Right. Then it is okay. Then look at the below this box here, address box here. This is the link you want to get it. This is the particular link you want to copy and share. Right. I am highlighting this one. Look at the address here. At the end of the address, it will take that particular name you given earlier. This is the link you want to copy. Before copying this link, you want to do one thing, that otherwise your link will not work properly. Then before copying this link, check whether there is a button called manage. Here there are two manage buttons. Select the this bottom one, anyone manage this button. Click on here. Once you click this manage button, then it will load another box, still loading it. This is the box, manage box here. Here at the bottom, you can see option links. Under links, there's another link called change. Click on this change. Right. Then once you click that change link, then again you can see another window. Here, select this publish site. Publish site public. Here you can see small down arrow. Click on here. Right. Once you click on here, then you can appear another three options. Here check whether your one is selected public. It's normally default selected as restricted. If you are doing first time, it is normally selected as restricted. If it is restricted, you want to change it into public, right? Normally default, and you are doing first time that this particular steps, it will display like that, right? That mark is in restricted, but you want to change this one into public. Click here. Then only your link, particular link, will work properly, right? Once you change restricted to public, then click done button here. Right. Then again back to the previous window. Now copy this link here. Remember to copy this one. Right. You want to copy it after setting the public property. Now copy this link, then publish it. Right. After you copied this link, now click on this publish button. Now publishing. Now you can check it by getting separate window, paste it your link into the address bar, then click enter key. Right. Now this your e-portfolio you can display through your link. This is the link here. Right. Is it clear? Is it clear up to now? Is it clear how to create in how to create in the link? Right. Okay. That's the way creating your link. Remember, when you are creating the link, you want to set link properties as public. Its default one is restricted. If you are copying the link without changing it, then what happens? Your link will not work properly. It will give a message like 404 error. Right? Therefore, remember, when you are publishing the link, to set the restricted property into public. Right. Okay, that's the thing I want to explain regarding this e-portfolio. Right. Any problem? Any other problem?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Could you please explain us how to insert a sub-page?
Yes. Sub-pages. Insert in sub-pages. That one also last time I explained. However, look again. Go to your e-portfolio. Right. For example, suppose you want to add a sub page for teaching practice 2 called recorded lessons. Right. That our example is, you want to add a sub page called recorded lesson under teaching practice 2. That means you want to display all of your recorded things of teaching during the teaching practice 2 period. Therefore, I want to create a separate page under teaching practice 2 page. Then the first you want to decide the place where you want to add your sub page. Therefore, I am decided. Now I am going to add this sub page under the teaching practice 2. Right. Then all your pages you can see under pages tab. In the right side menu, click on the pages here. This is the place where you can see your page menu. The first one home, then TP1 page here. Under TP1 you can see some sub pages, lesson plan, one untitled here, like that. Then under TP2 page, no sub pages you can display here, right? Click on here. Once you click on here, then you can see your TP2 page, right? Then you want to add a sub page called recorded lectures, right? Recorded lectures by clicking a button to here, right? By clicking a button, then only you want to display that sub page. That also you want to decide how you are going to display your sub page. That's the thing you want to decide again, how you are going to display your sub page, by clicking a link or by clicking a button. Right? That here in this time, I am suppose by clicking a button, you want to display the sub page. Right? Therefore, when you are adding the sub page, you want to do two things. One is add the button, and the other one is you want to add the sub page. Right. The first thing is you want to add the sub page. Right. From this pages menu, click the place where you want to add the sub page. You want to add this sub page to TP2. Therefore, click on TP2. Then you can see 3-dot button at the end. Click on this 3-dot button here. Then there is a menu. Click the option called here add sub page. Click on add sub page. Then there's a small box. Now you can give the name for your sub page. Right. Recorded lessons. Recorded lessons. Right. After you give in this name, click done button. Right. Now you can see here your sub page is created. Right. Here the place here you can see this sub page. The name is sub page is recorded lesson. Right. That particular page also you can see now here, recorded lesson. That's the page here. But you create this recorded lesson page under TP1. Right, under TP1. Look at the preview here. Right, it's the preview. Suppose in the preview, right, now you want to see, suppose you want to see your recorded lesson. Then what you want to do, click on the TP2 here. Right. Then where is the recorded lesson showing? In the page, but you can see in the menu here. But this menu is not seen always. You can see this menu, but there's a way to in the page TP2 to display the recorded lesson. Therefore, better way is add the button here by clicking this button to display the recorded lessons. Right. Then second thing is you want to add a button for TP2 page. Right. Right. Now you are in the TP2 page. Make sure that you are in the TP2 page. If you are not in the TP2 page, then you can select from under page menu, click on the TP2. Right, now you are in TP2 page. To add the button, what you want to do is click insert here, then scroll down, select button, the option button, click on the button here. Once you click button, then they ask in the button name. I am giving the button name as recorded lesson, the same name, type recorded lesson. Right. Then below that, another thing you want to set here, the link. Once you click this button, then what you want to do? Under link, you can select the page where you want to direct. Once you click the recorded lesson, then you want to display the page recorded lesson. Then you can select by scroll down this menu. Yes, here the page name, click on this here. Now all settings are okay. Click insert here. Now you can see a separate button in this page. You can add a separate button that can now you can display it here, recorded lesson. Right now you can get check it by displaying a preview. Now we are in the TP2 page, recorded lesson button called recorded lesson here. Click on the recorded lesson. Right. Now you can see the page here. Here you can add all the videos regarding your teaching practice during the teaching practice too. Right. Is it clear how to add in the sub pages?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Try it, right? When you are doing your assignment that already I gave your assignment, try to add all of these options. Right? Try to add all of these options. Try to organize it well. Okay, then I am expecting very good e-portfolio from you by adding all of these features. Right, okay, is there any difficulties or any problems?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can't we add videos to that, sir?
Yes, we can add videos even. That
Sir,
recorded lesson. Yeah.
Yes, sir, I tried to add my recorded lesson, sir, but it said that I exceeded the size.
Before inserting the video, there are two ways to insert the video. One way is you can, before inserting the video, you have to upload it. There are two places to upload. One is Google Drive. Before inserting your video, the one way is you have to upload your video into the Google Drive, or you can upload your video into the YouTube. The both way are correct. The first thing is you want to upload your video into either Google Drive or YouTube. Right? That whatever the option you selected, once you upload it, then it will it will give you a link. Then you want to get this link also. Once you get this link, then insert this particular link into the e-portfolio. If your video in the, suppose your video in the Google Drive, then click on the Google Drive here. Click on the Google Drive. Then it will show all the videos and files on your Google Drive. Now select the particular video. Here I think no videos. Here one video here. Suppose I want to insert this one, then click on the particular video which you want to insert, then click insert option here. Then that particular video now you can see on your e-portfolio. Is it okay? Is it clear that point?
Yes, sir. I uploaded from my gallery, sir. That's it.
You upload to where?
From my gallery, sir. That's what that problem happened.
You want to upload it into the Google Drive.
Okay,
Google
sir.
Drive or YouTube. If you are uploaded your video into the YouTube, then another option here under insert called YouTube. Click on the YouTube here. Then you can insert the particular link and search. Once you search it, that particular window video appear in the list, then select it and select it. Or you can directly upload from here also. That uploaded video here, they are showing. Then select that particular video to insert on your e-portfolio. Select the video and click insert. Select. Then that YouTube video also you can appear in the e-portfolio. Right. Okay. That's the way how to insert in videos onto your e-portfolio. Okay, is there any other problems? Okay, if you have any other problem, then you can ask me through the WhatsApp also. Okay, then another thing I want to do here, that our time is passing still. In this session, you have 8 minutes remaining. Try to finish it before that. If not, then you can join it again through the same link, right? Right. Okay. Then today also I am giving a link to you complete. When you are, this is the today's question paper, practice test 2. Can you see? Can you see this one? This screen here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, today's one is practice test 2, word processing. Here 34 marks allocate for that. This mark is I am not taking for any assignments or any exam related things, only for practicing, right? Then when you are filling the blanks, right? This type of question, when you are writing down the answers, please write down in just one word. Use just one word, right? Don't use that. For example, it is not. It may wrong in syntactically wrong in your language, English language, but don't use any the or when you are starting normally. The multimedia, multimedia. If the answer is multimedia, just put multimedia. Multimedia in capital or simple, it is okay, but don't use any other additional words. Just put the answer. Most of time try to insert in simple terms, simple words, but capital is also okay. Spacing is okay. Multimedia, multi-space media, that's also accepted. But multimedia full stop. Some students giving the answer, giving the correct answer multimedia, they at the end they are put a full stop mark also. And don't put full stop or any other symbols at the end. Right? Then that's why some questions are you appeared as wrong. Therefore, be careful when you are giving the answers for filling blanks. Just giving, try to give in the one word answers. Right. Then when discussing about the last time work, 113 of you replied. The first question, I think no problem, or most of you are correct. All of you are correct. I think 106 of you are giving the correct answer. But some students, 7 students is wrong. Then second one, 69 of you correct, giving the correct answer. They are asking something about central processing unit. Always central processing unit is the unit responsible for all work assigned to the computer. Once you assign some work to the computer, the responsible unit to doing that is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Therefore, it needs data to perform the work. Right? It taking this data from RAM. Right? Then after processing, it will produce some result. This result also put again to the RAM. Therefore, for the CPU, if you consider the CPU, the data getting from RAM, the result putting it again to the RAM. That's the point you want to consider when you are answering this question. Then next question asking about the speed of the CPU available in the market. Normally they are using gigahertz, right? 97 of you correct giving the correct answer for that. Then next question regarding the transmission media. I think I did this lesson, transmission media. I'm not remember exactly did or not. Can you remember that one? Transmission media. I covered that part or not?
I
Someone
think no, sir.
No? Transmission media?
Sir, I can't remember that, sir. I think
Some part I started to do in the transmission media. I'm not sure this transmission media not covered. I'm not remember actually that one. Covered or not. However, if not, then I will cover next week this transmission media part. It's a small one, right? Only 20 or 30 minutes I can cover it. However, most of you are correct giving the answer for that. Typical X-rays are not the transmission media. Then this question number 6, almost all of you are giving the correct answer. This one, question number 7 is regarding the open source software. Normally open source means we can obtain software without getting license or without giving any payments, freely available. Normally you can download from the internet. They are not checking and not giving any license, or they are not asking to pay money for this type of software. All the Windows Microsoft versions are licensed. We should want to give money and buy. But Ubuntu is open source, freely available in the internet. You can buy it freely. Then all of you giving good answers. This 62 of you correct this one. Which of the following is known as online suite? Mean normally online suite giving another name for office users. Only 46 of you correct that one. Another name for giving online suite actually including the online word processing also. Online word processing also include that. Yeah, our time is now okay. Pass in less than 1 minute is available. Please join again through the same link to discuss the remaining also. Please join again through the same link, right? I am going to stop with you.